Hi guys, this is Arpana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am going to explain you about the conservation of water. Introduction. Water conservation, which is a crucial for the sustainability of our planet. Conserving water, it may help in order to protect the environment, and also it will be ensuring the future generations which will be having access to this vital resource. In this presentation, we will be exploring about the importance of the conservation of water and also few of the practical tips in order to conserve the water in our day-to-day life. So as we can observe in this chat, it is a biodiversity conservation where we will be using the water in the different fields and also different habitats. Why conserve water? What is the need of water? Why should we conserve the water? So water, which we already know that it is a finite resource, it is essential for all the forms of life on the earth. It may be animal, it may be humans, it may be bird, etc., etc. So conserving water, it will be helping us in order to reduce the energy consumption and also the strain on water sources. By conserving the water, we can easily mitigate the impacts of the droughts and the water scarcity, because in few places there is a lot of scarcity and also droughts which are suffering from the water. Water conservation at home. How we need to conserve the water at home. So fixing leaks in the faucets and the pipes can save the thousands of gallons of water each year. So in our households, we can use the pipes which are not. They should not be leaked of the water. So in that way, we can protect. We can preserve the water. Installing the water efficient applications like low flow toilets and shower heads can significantly reduce the water usage also. And also from the rainwater we can easily collect for the outdoor use, and it may help us to reduce the reliance on the municipal water sources. Water conservation in the garden. Watering plants early in the morning or late in the morning, it will be reduces the evaporation, because at that moment the sunrises will be less and also the evaporation will be also less. Mulching garden beds helps to retain the moisture in the soil and reduces the need for the frequent watering. So, if you are using the drip irrigation system, it will be delivers the water directly to the plant roots, which will be minimizing the wastage of the water. In this way, we can easily conserve the water in the gardens. Water conservation in agriculture. So, by implementing the various irrigation techniques which helps to farmers in order to conserve or optimize the water usage also. Using the drought resistant crop varieties, it can may reduce the water requirements. So, for that also there should be a proper soil management practices which may improve the water retention and also reduce the runoff. Water conservation in the industry. So, by using the methods of the reusing and recycling water in industrial processes, it way reduces overall water consumption. So, implementing various water efficient techniques, there are in practice also few of them, and it may help the industries to reduce their environment impact, because even the industries they are also doing making very water pollution also. So by using the water efficient technologies, they may control the water pollution and also they may control air pollution also. Regularly monitoring and maintaining these water system, it may ensure the efficient use of the water resources. Water conservation in the spaces. So generally, we will be frequently we will be wasting the water in the public spaces only majorly. So installing the water efficient landscaping in parks and public areas, it may reduces the water usage, and also implementing a few water recycling techniques in the public buildings which will be help in order to conserve the water, and educating mainly educating the public about the importance of water and conservation. It may they may encourage us also responsible for the water usage. Water conservation policies. So government has taken many policies in order to conserve the water. So by taking, government can implement the water conservation policies and regulations in order to promote a sustainable water management. Encouraging the water conservation through incentives and rebates can motivate the individuals and business to reduce the water consumption. Collaborating with the stakeholders and the communities is essential for effective water conservation efforts. Tips, water, majorly we will be using some of the few tips on the water conservation, that is using a water efficient flush toilet. So we should not waste the water. So find and repair the leaks. So instead of leaving that leaks as it is, we can repair it and we can avoid the wastage of water and take a quick shower. Convert to water and the energy saving focus, avoiding waste running as possible. In some of the few public places they will be turn on the tap and they will be leaving as it is. So in order to avoid it, we should opt that, and we should also educate the public also. Use an energy efficiency washing machine, watering the plants during the coolest part of the day. Clean driveways and the sidewalks with a broom instead of hose. Then the effect of climate change on water resources. So climate change is exacerbating water scarcity issues around the world. So due to the rising temperatures and also changing the precipitation patterns, which are mainly affecting the water availability. Adapting to climate change through water conservation, it may measure is crucial for ensuring the water scarcity. So water and all the ways in order to conserve the water, as we can observe in this chart, mainly is only run water using appliances when they are full. Reduces the amount of water used in toilets. Consider a water sense labeled shower head. Install a rain barrel. Compost food waste instead of using your garbage disposal, like this. Then benefits of water so what, by conserving the water and all the benefits we will be getting means it helps to preserve the aquatic ecosystems and also the biodiversity. It may reduces the energy consumption which will be associated with the water treatment and also the distribution. Saving water, it may ultimately saves money for the individuals, business and also for the government. Global water changes, even due to the global warming and global water also, there are few of the challenges which we want to face. So many regions around the world, they are even nowadays also they are facing water scarcity and the quality issues. So due to the population growth, urbanization, and also industrialization, which are increasing, there is a water demand lot and lot. Addressing the global water challenges, it may require a collaborative efforts and also the innovative solutions. Water conservation success stories. So in few of the places, they have implemented few techniques in conservation of water, and also they have success in the techniques also. Few examples like Singapore has implemented the advanced water recycling systems to achieve the water self-sufficiency. And even Australia's Waterwise program has successfully reduced the water consumption through the public awareness campaigns. Then Israel's innovative drip irrigation technology has revolutionized water efficient agriculture in arid regions. So these are the few examples which they have success in the conserving the water. Then conclusion. Water conservation is a collective responsibility that requires individual and also a collective action. By conserving water, we can protect our environment, ensure the water security, and create a more sustainable future. Let's do all our part in order to conserve the water and safeguard this precious resource for the generations to come up with the conserving of water. Thank you.